If you are looking for sign customization or a reliable sign supply, don't miss this video. It can help you quickly and find high quality customized products. Hi everybody, this is Stacy. Welcome back to lcsign channel. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for growing your business. These are some customized products from customers located in different countries. You can choose size and color you want, and we will design your logo and recommend suitable size for you. Whether you want to customize or purchase a certain style directly, we will try our best to satisfy your needs. We specialize in the production of light boxes, LED signs, and neon signs, shipping to most countries with no MOQ. We also have a professional team responsible for the work of each section. Not every sign factory will have such a complete chain. That is why 85% of customers will purchase our products again after using once. In the future, we will consistently provide better service and more high-quality products. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now and hit that like button and comment below. So guys, see you next time.